Enjoy, Zephanie. Have fun.
One less problem. Hey, baby, even though I hate you, I love you, I want you. And even though I can't forgive you, I really want you, I want you. Tell me, baby, why can't you leave me? 'Cause even though she don't want it, I gotta have it, I want you. And if the clouds got the weight on my shoulder, I should be wiser and realize that I less fun without you. I got one less fun without you. I got one less fun without you. I got one less fun. I'm never gonna wake up. I gotta give up, but it's you. I should not go back or let you come back, but it's you. Every time you touch me and say you love me, I get a little bit breathless. Sure want it, baby. And if the clouds got the weight on my shoulder, I should be wiser and realize that I can't. Woo! Hey, one less problem. Hey, I got one less.
Wow, Zephanie! Isa ka sa pinaka-konting tao sa mundong to na napasayaw si Coach Bamboo sa'yo.
That's right.
Kumakanta ka. Sabi ni Coach Bamboo kanino?
That's right, dude. That's right.
Gumaganon, gumaganon. At dahil napasayaw siya, kausapin na rin natin. Coach Bamboo, your thoughts?
Yun ang kailangan mo gawin. You gotta make me dance. When you sing a song like this, hindi ko hinahanap yung technical. Mawawala lang ako. Dali mo lang ako. At that's what you did for me. Okay? So great job. Excellent.
Oh my goodness! Zephanie! Grabe kang bata. Saan nanggagaling yan? Taas ng boses. At talagang deserve mo ang napakalakas na palakpak para sa'yo. Thank you so. Ang galing-galing. Congratulations!
Zephanie, congratulations. Konting atela, magkikita pa tayo, okay? Palapakan natin si Zephanie!
Yay!